here we are, guys. Still no wind and lots of snow. It's probably, what, 4 inches of snow? I have to go find a ruler. Look, the dogs have been out here and their trails or tracks are already starting to get covered up again. It's only 1:30 and it shows this going at least till 6:30 or later. This would be a great night to get in the hot tub. See, the dogs are out here now. I think they're tired of being cooped up in the house. Okay, let's see how much snow is up here. So when you're a quilter, that's what you're gonna use. Oh wow, look, 4.5 inches of snow already, and it's only 1:30. Wow. Look at that tree. It's already weighted down. It's on the neighbor's shed, hanging over the fence. It's just crazy. And this tree too. It's all hanging. Whew. Winter 2025 in the Texas Panhandle.